Welcome. In today's video, we're going to explore how to allow video calls from only verified users on X, formerly known as Twitter. This setting enhances your privacy and ensures that only trusted users can reach out to you via video calls. Let's dive right into the steps you need to follow. First, launch the X app on your Android device. This is your gateway to accessing all the settings you need to customize your experience. Next, tap your profile icon. You'll see your profile picture or the navigation menu icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Once you're there, tap on Settings and Support. Then select Settings and Privacy. Here, you'll find various options to manage your account. Now tap on Privacy and Safety. This section allows you to control how others interact with you on the platform and manage your privacy preferences. Next, look for Direct Messages. This section will guide you on how to manage direct communications with other users. Finally, under Allow Audio and Video Calls, select Verified Users. By choosing this option, you're ensuring that only verified accounts can initiate video calls with you, adding an extra layer of security to your interactions. By following these steps, you can easily restrict video calls to only verified users on X. This not only helps protect your privacy, but also allows for more meaningful connections. Thanks for watching.